Alright, Rod, here's my unboxing video. iBuyPower, it came today. The box has got a couple of banged up things. I sure hope the PC's okay. The corners are banged up. So let me start to unbox. I'm going to set the phone down for a second. Okay. Got the knife ready to unbox. Here we go. Whee! Okay. Box is open. Setting the knife down. What do we got here? Looks like it's going to be okay because we got styrofoam in those corners. And what is that? The keyboard down on the side here. Let's pull that out first. Okay. There's the keyboard. There's the PC. I have to set this down again so I can pick it up out of there. So, see if I can prop this up somewhere. You know what I'm looking at now. Alright, heck with it. Here we go. Oh. Heavy. Yeah, that's a funny unboxing video. Me busting my ass trying to get it out of the box. Alright. Alright, and yeah, it's in your the way you like it, Rod. I don't want to turn it that way. Too late. It's in a selfie portrait mode. Okay. So here's some cords. Here's the PC. That's the back of it. Alright. Let me take this down. This is going to be one herky-jerky unboxing video. Here we go. Kind of nice, kind of nice. Looks good. Oh, interesting. This is the top of the case, and it looks like it's got headphone jacks, USB, something else there. That's interesting. That's the front. So, have to check it out. So I think that's just about it for the unboxing, unless you want to see the keyboard. Let me set this down. Okay. Knife again. That's the keyboard. Okay, and there's the mouse. Unboxing complete. Goodbye.